Hey everybody, it's Lindsay here from Team Cocktail, and I don't know about you, but I am ready for a beach vacation. And I have to say, one of my favorite drinks anytime we're down in the Caribbean, and we try to get down there as often as we can, is a mojito. So today, I'm gonna make a mojito. So here's what I like to do. So we need to take some mint and put it into the bottom of a shaker. If you have a shaker, that works, or you can just put it in a glass. But put that in. I like mine really minty. So just add those leaves right in there. And then you need limes. So you need about 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. So I just squeeze the lime in there, and then I put the rind right into the shaker so that we can muddle it all up together. So about 2 wedges of lime. And then the next thing you need is simple syrup. So simple syrup, you can buy it in the store, at the liquor store, or you can make it yourself. It's just sugar and boiling water, and you can make it yourself. So I bought it because that's easier. All right, so just about an ounce, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And all right, then you need a muddler. And you're gonna want to really get in there, press it down so that you can release all of the good taste and smells of the mint that's in there. There we go. Okay, next up, the most important part, the rum. So I'm just using a Bacardi rum, but you can use whatever your favorite rum is, and it's about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces. But if you really like rum, or you're really just wanting a mojito, you can always add a little more. So we've got the rum. And then another little trick, you don't have to use it, but it adds a little something, is to add a splash or 2 of bitters. So I'm gonna add a splash in there. All right. So now we're gonna put some ice in the shaker. And this is where we really feel like a bartender, right? You can just shake it up. Let's shake it up. All right. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Okay, then we have, this is a standard mojito glass, the tall and slender glass. Fill that with ice. And then you dump your drink right on there. Oh, and I forgot something. And then we're gonna add just a little splash of club soda, because I like a little fizz in mine. All right. Well, cheers from Team Cocktail. I hope you enjoy the mojito.